If you're waking up stiff or tossing and turning all night, then it might be time for a sleep upgrade. And so I've been looking into the Novilla 10-inch gel memory foam mattress, which I got from the seller to show you, and it checks every box for the restful night. What stands out about this mattress is the engineering. It features a multi-layer foam structure that is actually certified by the American Chiropractic Association to support proper spinal alignment. That's pretty cool. The nanogel memory foam contours perfectly to your body, easing tension on key pressure points like your back and hips. If you sleep hot, the combination of the soft knitted cover and the gel-infused foam actively works to dissipate heat. Plus, it has excellent motion isolation. If you sleep with a partner or a pet, their movements won't disrupt your side of the bed. It has arrived rolled and compressed right at my door in the box, so it made this setup incredibly easy. I just unboxed it and let it breathe. It typically takes about 72 hours to fully expand and regain its complete plush shape. But if you're in a rush and need it to sleep the first night already, absolutely no problem. You can use it after a couple of hours already. It won't hurt the mattress. It just doesn't have the full strength and the full stability in the first nights. It's also crafted with 30 pure US certified foam for a peace of mind. Yeah, overall my experience has been really good. I absolutely love it. And so it works perfectly for me after using it now for a couple of nights. I can confirm that sleeping was absolutely awesome. For me, has the perfect balance between stability, support, and still absolutely awesome comfort. So if you're looking for a cloud-like sleep experience, you definitely have to check out this Novilla Queen mattress.